I recently purchased the Halloween Party Supplies Bats Wall Decor, and I must say, it has added the perfect touch of spookiness to my home. With 140 PCS of realistic PVC 3D black scary bat stickers, this product is a must-have for anyone looking to create a creepy atmosphere for Halloween parties or simply to embrace the spirit of the season. First and foremost, the quality of these bat stickers is outstanding. The PVC material gives them a lifelike appearance, making them look like actual bats hanging from the walls. The attention to detail is impressive, with each bat featuring intricate designs and textures that add to their realism. When I first applied them to my walls, I was amazed at how they instantly transformed the room into a haunted haven. The adhesive on these bat stickers is strong and reliable. I had no issues with them falling off or peeling away, even after several days of use. This is particularly important for those who plan to use them in high-traffic areas or bathrooms, as they can withstand moisture and humidity without losing their stickiness. One of the things I appreciate most about this product is its versatility. The bat stickers can be easily applied to any smooth surface, making them suitable for not only walls but also windows, mirrors, doors, and even bathroom tiles. This allows for endless possibilities when it comes to decorating your home for Halloween. I had a blast experimenting with different arrangements and creating a truly unique and eerie ambience. Furthermore, the pack of 140 PCS provides ample quantity to cover a significant area. Whether you want to create a small accent or completely transform an entire room, you won't run out of bats. The variety of sizes included in the pack also adds to the overall effect, as you can create a sense of depth and movement by mixing different sizes and orientations. In conclusion, the Halloween Party Supplies Bats Wall Decor is a fantastic addition to any Halloween enthusiast's collection. The realistic PVC 3D black scary bat stickers are of excellent quality, the adhesive is reliable, and the versatility of the product allows for endless creative possibilities. With this product, you can easily transform your home into a spooky haven that will impress your guests and create a memorable Halloween experience. I highly recommend it.